Alright, Waterfall Glen. We're paralleling the railroad tracks and the river and the sanitary ship canal right now, heading east. Just went through some wild hills. There was an old nursery along this way somewhere, like 75 years ago or something. Very overgrown, very neat ride. Now, for those of you who have been watching my videos, I have yet to get my brakes fixed. I'm not quite sure how to adjust brakes. Here's where the old nursery was. So when I go down these hills, folks, well, this video may be the only written record you have to remember me by. And for some of you, that might be a good thing. I just hope this is the right trail. A lot of activity out here. This is a Saturday afternoon. Looks like they did some clearing. This is a tough trail in terms of it's not flat like the Prairie Path or the Sawmill Creek Greenway. You can probably hear me huffing and puffing. I started taping after most of the hills. So if you catch the other video I made where I show the map, you can see where I pick a direction that tries to mitigate most of the larger hills. Passing. Trail courtesy for those of you who don't know. You pass somebody from behind, let them know you're there. Now hopefully I'll be able to stop in time wherever this takes me. I've done this trail half a dozen times easily, but every time I do it, it messes with my head. I keep misplacing sections. And here's the bridge over Sawmill Creek. Whee! I almost sort of kind of wiped out there. If you're adventurous, you can go through there. When the water's high, you go right through the water. And if you go uphill from here, or upstream I should say, this is where the Sawmill Creek hits the waterfall, an old WPA project from the 30s. Alright, the last thing from here, we're about 200 yards from the trailhead from where we started, and there's one big hill between us and there, a nice huge one, which I think I'll walk today.